My name is Ronnie Jacobs. I'm maintenance supervisor at Chelsea Place Apartments in Murfreesboro. I've been with the company for a little over 3.5 years. What brought me here was Miss Susan Franklin. She called and asked me one day if I was interested in the supervisor job. I had heard about Chelsea Place for several years working at other properties, and it was always spoke very highly of. And so I would drive by it every day going to and from work, and I always thought I would really like to work there. Out of all of my years of working, Freeman Webb is the best company that I have ever worked for. The instructions that I gave when I got at Chelsea Place was to not let the quality of the properties drop any at all. I've tried to do that over the years that I've been there. Stay within the budget, and we try to do that to the very best of our ability. I probably can't say anything to make it better. It is a very excellent place to work. It'll be the last job I ever have as far as public work, so I don't plan on going anywhere. So